Good morning, everybody. My name is Clarissa Viberdera. I'm also from Bailey, the media coordinator of Bailey, and I'm teaching K to 5 for media class. So I've been a school librarian for 24 years and one of the international teachers from the Philippines. So my internship is in Nosh Community College. Together with Miss Karian, we are so grateful, Miss Wanda, for Miss Wanda Thousand for welcoming us in the community. We learn about the community, the curriculum offerings, and meet the dedicated and um, committed instructors in the Nash Community College. During that training, during that week, we had a lot of fun. So on the first day we meet Mr. Eddie, who helped us in the industry system technology programs, which help us to learn the safety procedures and material management, which even help us to assemble a lamp. And we have a enjoyable participation in the blazing activities. Next, for the electronics engineering technology program, Miss Joyner help us with the hands-on activities on doing the um, electric circuits, a device that can detect electric circuits, and he shares to us her methodology and how he can create student activities. During this tour, also we have a chance to go to the computer integrating machinery area, which Mr. Jason demonstrated us how they do the gear out of a piece of metals. And along the way, we meet a lot of students. We have hear their stories, their successes, their journeys, and what are their plans for the futures. This and we also had the last day is the most enjoyable because in the welding area we able to build a planter's stand, which Mr. Daniels guide us to work on that equipment. This experience made us realize that when the students are really committed in achieving successes and pursuing their dreams, Nash Community College has provides a lot of opportunities and excellent facilities, dedicated instructors, and scholarships can develop their skills that they'll be needing in the future. So sharing also some wonderful experiences with Miss Mandels, other instructors will deeply impacted as an educators that really giving opportunity to the students are just to explore, learn, and they can succeed. So I have, it's more, sorry, there's a lot of more in here. So that's for my project-based learning. I focus this as a media coordinator. I focuses on career choices, robotics and technologies, and community involvement. So during that time, we have a read aloud activities, read aloud and reading activities. So we have read alouds of different community helpers, and they research on their career choices. They also have an art activities which they created their dream robot. And we also have some Lego activities. They created their dream communities and also their dream robots, what robots they envision to be in the future. And also, of course, the robotics, we use the Spiro Indie and the Coding with Dash. The students, hopefully you are during those lessons, we are aiming to students to love coding and really to know the importance of it in our daily lives. How this internship infected me in my instructions allow me to connect my media class and learnings, the real life and careers, and helping the student to see how their skills can be used in the future. It also enhances the career lessons that example for jobs and industries in our local community, and the curriculum offering of the Nash community, even in elementary schools. From the students must knowing all their dreams so that they have these opportunities for their communities. And improve my lessons is a community involvement, helping students to understand how team works, problem solving, creativity, and to contribute in the community. So I know that with this, I know that we are together. We are not just learning, we are building leaders, innovators, problem solvings, and for our problem solvings of tomorrow's.
I want
So just like Summer, I wasn't able to go home back to the Philippines to visit my family and to have a 24-hour flight back to the home. Instead, I have given this opportunity to be part of this externship. This externship reminds me why I am here, as to guide, to inspire, and to open the to guide these young minds. And hopefully together, we are so thankful that we are part of their dreams. And hopefully together, we are building a community for their futures, a better for tomorrow for every young kids that we are assigned to be with as an educator. Thank you.